Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you and your husband this afternoon. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your new kitchen. So we will start with the cabinet pantry. We'll remove those wire racks for you. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 5-inch height glide out that will fully extend. You have full clearance to pick everything up. And my recommendation is above the wall oven, you have some bottles and some drinks. You can bring these down here. You can even put your potatoes in here, or as well as your onions, whatever you need. And then a 2.5-inch for all your canned goods, and then a 5-inch for snacks. And that's the lower part of the cabinet pantry. And then above it, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5-inch height glide out. So that's that area, and then you have the 2 shelves above that you'll keep. And then above the wall oven, this is called the divider shelf. It'll be 3 inches apart, and you'll have 7 dividers, 8 sections, and you can pull these out to make the openings bigger for if you have larger, wider items. Then to the right of the microwave that's sitting here, on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5-inch height glide out on the bottom and a 2.5-inch on the top. And you had your coffee here, so you could put in the things, that you said this was your husband's snack area, so you can store items down here. Then we'll walk over to your stove area, and on the bottom, left bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5-inch and a 2.5-inch. And then this is the blind corner, so I kind of just left that out since we're not going to do it. We'll attach the door, and you are going to do a 7-inch, and we put a divider in here. Whoops, so that divider you can, trying to move this, I'm sorry. So that divider you can do your olive oils, your vinegars, and you can move that to the left or to the right. And then a 2.5-inch glide out, and you can lay your spices down, and then another 2.5-inch. So these dividers you can move around. So that's that area. And then we will look over to the left of your sink area, and you can do a 2.5-inch and a 2.5-inch height glide out. And then over to the right side of your dishwasher, a 2.5-inch and a 2.5-inch. So that will give you're going to get a lot of space in these upper cabinets, because the upper shelves, because about 12 inches of new space. And then we will walk over to the island area, and that's where you have your trash. So I was trying to do it so that these are blank cabinets, and you have a bar here. We'll just replace it, and we'll attach the door, and you'll have an area right here. I can't show it on this sketch, but you'll have about 7 inches on the side, so where you can store your bags or cleaning supplies or whatever you need. Okay, so that is your Shelf Genie project. I priced out the classic grade, which is a lifetime warranty. And just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. So that's your project. I know you're busy this weekend, so we will talk on Monday or Tuesday. All right, you take care, and have a nice weekend, and talk to you later. Take care. Bye.